I just entered the wilderness, Uintas Wilderness. I'm heading for Kings Peak. This is going to be about 45 miles round trip. It's going to take me 72 hours to complete it, which is it's a lot of hiking in 3 days. Mosquitoes are out, horseflies are out. A lot of people out celebrating. It's Pioneer Weekend, which is a big thing in Utah. But this should be fun. First rest break. Trail is not disappointing. And it's going to be a little warm until I can get to higher altitude. But it's nice to be back in the mountains. Looks like the afternoon thunderstorms are starting to move in. This is where it gets real interesting out here. It's about 11:20 right now. Man, the river is way down there. That's crazy. And there's where we gotta go. I swear, these mountains are nothing but a massive pile of boulders. That just looks depressing if you were to have to go up that. It's starting to rain. I better get my rain gear on. But I had to stop and take a look at this. Man, look at these walls. Pretty sweet. Utah Yellowstone River. Not to be confused with the Wyoming Yellowstone, which everyone does. I see that stream right there coming out of the mountains. I believe that's coming out of Garfield Basin. Yeah, there's lakes way up there. Finally made it to camp. Took 6.5 hours to get here, and it was painful. I'm gonna get something to eat now because I am so hungry. It's only 5:38, but I've retired to my tent. Mosquitoes are really bad. This is the only place they really can't touch me. But I got plenty of water. I got my energy drink ready to go for the morning, and hopefully it'll storm tonight. Be kind of interesting. I like it when it rains and storms at night. Some powerful lightning and thunder earlier today up where I'm going, up near Kings Peak. So it's real exposed up there. It's kind of dangerous to pitch, but I've done it twice before. Hopefully tomorrow will be a little bit easier. I took some acetazolamide. See if I can't start getting more acclimated. I'll take some ibuprofen and just lie down. It is Sunday morning, Pioneer Day. Now that I'm a Utahn, I get to celebrate Pioneer Day. Plus I have pioneers in my heritage, so I guess it only fits, but I'll be out here while everybody else is partying it up back in the cities. But just got out. The weather keeps raining, but I have to get to base camp now, so I got 10 miles to get to base camp. And then I climb Kings in the morning. Ooh, what fun. All right, that is South Kings right there. North Kings is directly on the other side of that. That's the highest, which I will be climbing in the morning. So I'm getting closer. And I love this canyon. Yellowstone Canyon, Utah Yellowstone Canyon. Pretty cool. I really wish the sun would come out. This constant light rain is just depressing. I need it to stop. This kind of sucks. Rain's starting to come down harder now, so I finally had to put on rain gear, and the rain gear overheats you pretty quick. So I'm gonna have to go slow. But it doesn't look like this is gonna stop. Not good. This isn't good. That's South Kings right there. I got to get around that on the left. Oh, the rain is finally starting to let up. It has been horrible this morning. I just spent the last 3 hours in steady rain, and all the trails now just a pile of mud. Oh, I need some sunshine. Sunshine is going to totally change the game. I thought this was a cool little water feature that was worth stopping for. There's Kings Peak, highest mountain in Utah. I missed my shortcut, which my shortcut was way down there in the valley in the river, and I could have gone up and then cut right up through those trees and right up to my base camp. But I haven't done this since 8 years, I think, so it didn't look the same, so I missed it. And now I'm taking the Highline Trail, which goes right over there, and then I gotta go way back over there and then up into the basin. But that's South Kings right there. It's actually shorter. Kings is further back, so it looks smaller. Let's get this done. I've been hiking for 5 straight hours. That really sucks. I really was hoping not to miss that shortcut. At least it's not raining, so that's good. That's gonna take me an hour and a half to get up there probably. Mosquitoes are out in force though, so I just put on some insect repellent. Hopefully that'll help. All right, hopefully the next video will be at base camp. This mountain is whooping my backside. I mean, this is rough, missing my shortcut. Added about 2.5 miles to this, I'm thinking, so it'll be well over 45 miles when I finish. But man, old men shouldn't be doing stuff like this. Just saw some tents down there, way back there behind me. It's there's a few other people out here. I guess that they had the same idea. Yeah, I've made the tundra at the base of the mountain. Up here is where I'll be pitching my camp. But people build this thing for some reason, I don't know why, but it's cool when you see it. You know you've finally made it up here. Yeah. It took me over 7 hours to get here, and I still probably got another 30 minutes before I get to what could be my camp. Man, don't miss your shortcuts. This is my first Pioneer Day and my worst Pioneer Day. It just will not stop raining. I would kill for some sunshine right now. All right, I'm up on the tundra, and I'm trying to find where I'm gonna go to set up my camp. Total whiteout, so I can't see the mountains, and they're right there. Oh man, the pain. Oh, the pain. There's no mosquitoes up here though. Too high for them. Finally, blue sky. Oh, my fortunes have changed. Here's base camp. The switchbacks start right over there. Grabs the saddle, and then from the saddle, you follow that all the way up to the summit, which is covered right now. But wow. Finally, after being tormented all day, I'm getting a nice camp. Looks like some more bad weather is starting to head in. At least it let me get camp set up. All right. There is South Kings, the shorter of the two. And there is North Kings, the highest point, 13,528 feet. Oh. We might get some bad weather tonight. This tent is at the very lower limit of what I would bring up here, because the storms up here, it's exposed, and the storms up here can get pretty hairy. But I think I'll be all right. This tent, it might be an ultralight, but it's pretty strong. I just woke up. It's 4:33 Monday. I guess the 25th. Pioneer Day was yesterday. For all that torment that I got getting up here yesterday, just rained all day. There's not a cloud in the sky this morning. The Milky Way is out in force. It's like you got to get out into really remote places to be able to even see this anymore. Oh, but clear skies. I was hoping for that. So I'm gonna get out of here in the next 30 minutes, start out about 5 o'clock and see if I can go grab this summit. Oh, looks like all the suffering is gonna be worth it. It's 6 a.m. I've been on the trail for 1 hour now, climbing up that pass that you can see behind me there. That's where I gotta go. That is Anderson Pass, and then from there you grab the summit all the way to the top. I made Anderson Pass. Behind me is the summit up there. Took me 2 hours to get here. Probably take me an hour and 30 minutes, hour 45 minutes to reach the summit. But whoa, it's pretty awesome out here. Peak right up there, and this is the way we go up it, right up the spine. Just gotta keep on keeping on. Just a big pile of boulders. Makes it tough, but not impossible. There she is, but I don't really feel any closer. I still that last pitch is gonna be rough. Oh, well, let's go get this thing knocked out. There she is. Essentially, I've done 26 miles in 2 days. And man, I feel it. And I'm getting old. I'm gonna die trying. I made it. This is my 5th and final summit of this mountain. I've been climbing this thing over the past 20 years, and I think I'm good. I think I finally beat this mountain out of me. But man, it was rough. Very rough.